Hello! Let's learn some colors. Pink color, violet color, purple color, light green color, dark blue color, dark green color, brown color, black color, red color, dark blue color, yellow color, sky blue color, and black color. So let's start drawing. Pentagon, triangle, heart, square, circle, star, dark green color, red color, triangle, light green color, yellow color, square, circle, violet color, star, violet color, star. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Subscribe our channel for more videos and share this video and like this video.